How to say no politely and still sound professional. The yes trap. In the early stages of your career, saying yes to everything is how you learn. But in the executive ranks, saying yes to everything is how you fail. If your plate is full and you keep accepting more, your quality drops, your stress rises, and you stop looking like a leader and start looking like a doer who can't manage their own boundaries. The problem is many professionals, especially those speaking English as a second language, fear that saying no will sound rude, aggressive, or unhelpful. Today, I'm giving you the Executive Refusal Framework. I'm going to show you how to say no in a way that actually makes people respect your time more, not less. We are going to cover the soft no, the strategic no, and finally, the counter offer, which is the secret weapon, the C-suit. The psychology of the professional no. Before we get into the phrases, we have to fix the mindset. An executive no isn't a rejection of the person. It is a protection of the objective. When you say no to a low priority task, you are saying yes to the high priority goals of your company actually pays you to achieve. Expansion zone scenario. Imagine your boss asks you for a report at 4 p.m. on Friday. If you say yes and do a poor job, you've hurt the company. If you say no correctly, you ensure the work is done with excellence later. Leaders value excellence over immediate compliance. The strategic no, the power of priority. The most professional way to say no is to make it about priorities, not preferences. The wrong way. I can't do that right now. I'm too busy. This sounds like you are overwhelmed and disorganized. The executive way. I'd love to help with that. Currently, my top priority is the Q3 budget review. If I take this on, it will push that deadline back. Which would you like me to prioritize? Notice what you did there. You didn't say, I won't do it. You put the decision-making power back on the stakeholder while highlighting how much you are already doing. The soft no, setting boundaries with peers. What about peers? When a colleague asks for a quick favor that actually takes 2 hours, you need the capacity-based refusal. Phrase 1, I don't have the capacity to give this the attention it deserves right now. Phrase 2, my schedule is fully committed through Wednesday, but I can take a look at it on Thursday morning. Here's a deep dive comparison. Compare, I'm busy, to my schedule is fully committed. Fully committed sounds like you are a person of high demand and high discipline. Busy just sounds like you're drowning. The counter offer, the secret weapon. Sometimes you can't say a hard no, but you can't say yes either. This is where you use the counter offer. Instead of doing the work yourself, you provide a different path to the solution. Example, I can't lead the full presentation, but I can provide the data slides for whomever is taking the lead. Or I'm not available to join that meeting, but I can send you my notes by EOD. This shows you are still a team player, but you are the master of your time. You are providing a partial yes that protects your core focus. The final word on guilt. A final tip: don't apologize more than once. Over apologizing makes your no sound like a mistake. If you say, "I'm sorry, I wish I could, I'm really sorry," you lose your status. Say it once, state your reason, and move on. A confident no is much more professional than a guilty one. Learning to say no is the bridge between being an employee and being an executive. If you're ready to master these high-stake conversations and build a brand based on authority and respect, apply for my strategic communication advisory. We work together to ensure your English sounds like the leader you are. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more executive communication tools. I'm Eric. Thanks for watching The Executive English Coach.